Okay, let's take a look. If you're given 1 over 2 plus x, one way to do it is to write 1 over 2 minus negative x. You need this when you're doing series to be able to write expressions in this format. So you say to yourself, how do I know they're equivalent? So you just graph them, take a look, right? The graph shows it. Look, if I graph 1 over 2 plus x, zoom in on the thing that really matters, the bit of detail right here, just on the detail, right? You see that detail there. Then you graph the other one, 1 over 2 minus negative x. So I'm writing the pluses to minuses. And you see when I do that, the graphs overlap perfectly. You cannot tell them apart. That means they're interchangeable. And one last thing you got to do when you deal with series is you got to write 1 over 2. Pull that 2 on the outside. So where the 2 is, you leave a 1. And therefore, under the negative x, you do this. 1 minus negative x? No. Because if you brought the 2 back across, it would give you 2x instead of just x. So you compensate by placing a negative 2 in the bottom like that. So now you're saying to yourself, how do I know these are the same things? So you graph the new version, take a look, over the other ones. 1 divided by 2, multiplying 1 minus negative x over 2, right? Pause the video and look at what I'm typing into the box. Hit enter. And again, as you can see, we have only one graph still. We really have 3 graphs, but they overlap perfectly at every x and y. In other words, you need to be able to rewrite them for the purposes of series specifically in this form right here. So you can plug into the series expansions, but that's for different lessons. If it's helpful, leave a like.